Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel said this is one of the most exciting 30 seconds of his life, and we definitely agree. Black millionaires and multi-millionaires, all from the music game. Only Vybz Kartel must have missing from the spot right there, because all of the persons in attendance have either worked with dancehall artists or are big fans of dancehall music. Plus UTG viewers and subscribers, private jet life. Of course, we're going to discuss the whole settings, yeah man. But first and foremost, I'm going to see what I go on. So I guess what I want to do, I want to look, and of course, viewers and subscribers, I want to listen.
It's 2020, y'all. Yeah. And it's different than when it was 2016. You know, the game has been elevated. As we can tell, there's no expense being spared. We had a Black Billionaires lunch. You understand?
Right.
And we here together, and we're going to keep staying together. We getting tighter. You know what I'm saying? And united we stand. And ain't nothing else. To us.
Black excellence.
Yeah man, as I say, all of these billionaires and multi-millionaires are either fans of dancehall music or have worked with dancehall artists. And them prove a statement where the teacher do, or something we say the teacher do. All of the endeavors, what we say make them billionaires or multi-millionaires. Vybz Kartel has done so in a dancehall music. Whether it's pushing the envelope, whether it's creativity, whether it's innovation, or even being an entrepreneur. Because we know Diddy's a big entrepreneur, Jay-Z them big entrepreneur, we know Meat Mills them help whole heap of other artists, and you know everybody else there so are either music executives or producers. The teacher has done so as well. So it proves, viewers and subscribers, so the teacher is not only an inspirational factor, but also an artist, viewers and subscribers, who deserves a seat with the greats in a music. And because I'm current situation why I feel like he is not there, viewers and subscribers, because the numbers would have started for adopt, the moves would have started for make, the entrepreneurial endeavors where the teacher that pursue would have get bigger and bigger with time, with the blessings of God too, of course. You know what I mean? So of course when we see the teacher say, yo, black excellence, seeing the ones them link up and hear the way Diddy himself had to say about the whole situation, unity is strength. And him say the only way we can move forward as a people is if we unified. And I definitely agree with that statement we did make. And teacher agree with the statement too as well, viewers and subscribers. And as I say, all are mostly musicians and people involved with the music game. And them are multi-millionaires. Meat Mills recently say I'm almost at the 500 million mark. We don't know Jay-Z them a billionaire. Diddy them up there. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's a good look. I want to see the whole settings and hear the reason. I say, yo, definitely a good look. As I say, UTG viewers and subscribers, the ones them out and about private jet settings. You know, see the lifestyle. You know, see the settings. You know, see what go on. Little vibes, little addy. Yo, the music can speak for itself. And remember, them have a big show slated for England. Yeah man, England I go see what go on with the artists. Them get travel documents for reach cross. So England soon and very soon you can look out for say UTG live on stage. And over Birmingham there too. You know what I mean? So the Birmingham fans can definitely look out. I wanna know maybe the whole vibe of the situation. London, South London can hear what go on to Bristol. Want to you name the place them. You know what I mean? Yeah, can hear what go on from the artists themselves and see the performances. I like to see the energy of what go on a dancehall music now. Meaning to the artists them get bookings for some different level of shows. One at a time only the reggae artists them we say I get booked on some big shows or booked for some big festivals. Right now we see dancehall music back at where I would have personally say dancehall music is meant to be. Because majority of the world music are the big music them way, you know what I mean, are showcased at these big festivals and these big concerts, are in some way, shape or form influenced by dancehall and reggae music. Sometimes some of the producers them are even Jamaicans themselves. Whether second or third generation Jamaicans themselves. So for see dancehall artists being booked alongside these big names, definitely a good look. For see little Vybz and little Addy, definitely a proud moment for Gaza nation. You know what I mean? And then you see the youth them playing a business. They might feel like them a fly around the world for fun. Anytime you see the youth them make moves a business, you might not see what take place, but a business. Keep it in mind. You know what I mean? Yeah, anytime you see we out there, I do it and I put in the work, viewers and subscribers. Definitely a good look, exciting moment. And as I say, in retrospect, what the teacher do right now in a dancehall music, even with the UTG, now I mean uptown greatness, is remarkable and commendable. Watch the play. In a short space of time, the youth them reach the right age, them can pursue music to a higher level. And right away, them a give it a project in a dancehall music. We say artists we can consider established artists. Means say them have a name in the game and them a do it for a number of years now. And them not have no credible projects or any projects at all to their name, viewers and subscribers. So if we say UTG forward out at this early stage in them career, remember the album is available for pre-order. So you know what I mean, go support the youth them and pre-order the album. Remember no man? But that's what we are saying, in tune with the reasoning. It's an exciting moment to see that take place in a dancehall music. To see the teacher at the place where they're right now, and to see him youth them a forward out and I do extremely well in a dancehall music and I showcase them own creativity and them own individuality. People wonder for the youth them write them song. Only listen to the lyrical content. Only listen to the word in the song. Of course the youth them write them song. And I like from when them just bust and people that say, yo, maybe the teacher write them song. And who knows if the teacher they pen that track. You know what I mean? The teacher has never admitted to penning that track. And you know the question has never been asked or presented to UTG in our interview settings. You know what I mean? People now admit that. What people are admit right now is the current pursuits of the artists. And who say them forward to change the game? We see them forward for change the game right now, viewers and subscribers. And I'm inspired by one of the most inspirational dancehall artists to date. Vybz Kartel himself. Yeah, Vybz Kartel himself. As I say recently, I see I'll icon or recite a verse. And I say, youth, I see the potential is there. Creativity in them jeans. It's in them t-shirt. A reality, viewers and subscribers. The youth them approve that. World tour settings. Private jet life. That no man, and not normal. The settings are normal. No ladder we don't need. The teacher said black excellence. That's the thing there. Unity is strength. And of course, I agree with that statement. Unity is definitely strength, viewers and subscribers. If we can move forward together as a people, yo, it's a surprise to see the distance we could have covered. In a music right, and I'm gonna show you this. Popcorn it say too, because when he travel internationally, he realized that say, yo, people support dancehall music as a collective. It's not definitely say, oh, we listen to Popcorn and I want to listen to our next artist. I will listen to Kartel, but we want to listen to Move. No, them support the music as a collective. So them listen to all artists. Until you go on venue, they must say, yo, alright, dancehall music will play. Of course, the teacher music, upper play is a must. But there are other dancehall artists in the juggling. We have a thing called juggling rhythm, where on the rhythm it features a number of artists. So, of course, there has to be some form of unity in the music. Know what I mean? And we have to do it by example. So that's why when I see the teacher say, yo, big up all dancehall artists, except, you know what I mean, them three artists there. And the teacher entitled to an opinion. Everybody is entitled to an opinion. So if that is the artist's opinion, that is his opinion. And he's entitled to it. But he make the point out, say, big up all dancehall artists, because as a movement, as a genre of music, we need whole heap of artists to contribute. Everybody needs to put out album. Everybody needs to put out hit singles. That is why we have a chart. Why you think we have a chart in our music? Because other artists can be featured on it. You know what I mean? It is just speaking to work ethic and creativity. When you see the teacher top the charts with all 3 songs. You know what I mean? It doesn't speak to the creativity and the fact that some artists probably not put in the right amount of work. Or they maybe just not that creative. Food for thought. You know what I mean? Discussion for another time. But right now we are pointing out what go on. Black Excellence, Private Jet Life. And that's just a quick recap. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, viewers and subscribers. I mean, I remind those who are new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through. But you know, like the reason and of course you like the point of view, and I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon did it too as well. So if I like you here, drop a like on the vlog, the share icon did it too as well. Just share it with a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother, them anyone in the world right now. You can do that right as from the platform. Share icon did it. The comment section is always open, so join the discussion. But be mindful and respectful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions, dear viewers and subscribers. I up move settings fam. Yes, I wanna need a ladder. You know the something go. And my sentiments for you and yours. Of course, I wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.